Hello guys, it's Demian from the project. We are working in a Pasadena 2023 from Thor RV. Today I'm going to install the snap pads on the RV Pause that we installed a couple of weeks ago. These are 12-inch snap pads, permanent pads. I'm going to show you how to install them. Okay, to install this snap pad, we are going to use a jack, and we are going to lift the jack until that snap into the foot. That's it. It's going to go. That's it. Now we can release the jack and the pad is there permanently. Okay, now we do the same with the last one. That's it. Now we are ready to test. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Click on the bottom where you can follow us with next videos that we are going to post, and any comments that you have, we are going to respond to them. Thank you for watching and see you soon.